Meaning of high-sounding.
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 High-sounding. The term high-sounding typically refers to language or rhetoric that is excessively grandiose, pompous, or pretentious. It suggests a style of speech that is intended to impress or intimidate others rather than convey genuine meaning or substance. In essence, it is language that sounds impressive without actually saying anything of substance. This sort of language can be found in various contexts, such as political speeches, academic writing, and promotional materials. However, it is generally regarded as ineffective and sometimes even comical, particularly when it is used to mask a lack of real knowledge or expertise.